Here we go with the unboxing of The Thing, the board game by Pendragon. A game by Andrea Crespi and Giuseppe Cicero. I went all in on Kickstarter, which got me the base game here, along with the expansion, Norwegian Outpost, which you need the base game to play. But I also got the game does come with a board, but I went in for the Neoprene Playmat, which looks gorgeous, and some of the miniature sets, well I think all of the miniature sets that you can get with the game. But first of all, let's have a look at the main game. I can open it one-handed. So we have the rulebook, some stretch goals, which are included in the cards. We've got a poster, which looks fantastic. Apologies, I don't know who the artist is offhand. Let's see what else. Lots and lots of things to pop out. I got the miniatures, but the game comes with these standees for the various players. There's the board. I won't put it all up, but I got, as I say, I got the neoprene one. Some bags for tokens, fuel cans, dogs, and a small helicopter. Food things, fuel barrels, fire tokens, some lovely chunky plastic bits and pieces and dice, various cards. I've not read through the rules yet, so I'm not totally sure on all the mechanics, but we've got sabotage things here, if you're the thing. Cards for all the various players, featuring some lovely art which will help when painting the miniatures. Oh, it does match the miniatures, the way they are designed. And item cards. Have a quick look at the miniature set. Comes with these. So you can see, as well as this look. Nicely detailed. And the alien miniature set. So the spider head, the final form, and the Norwegian Outpost comes with them. But let's have a look. Oh, and the bottom of the box of the main game has the lovely artwork of the spacecraft. The Norwegian Outpost box is half the size, half the depth of the box, but inside it has some extra rules. Oh, the main game is 1 to 8 players. The Norwegian Outpost is 4 to 8. It does also involve the spacecraft a bit more, some new abilities for the thing. So standees again, so you don't need any of the miniatures that I've got, or the neoprene board, but certainly very nice. It's all very well designed, nicely put together. Oh, but yeah, I need the board from the expansion, because the neoprene board is just for the base game. So let's get this done. Look at that. That's the board for the Norwegian expansion. Lots of detail on there, so looking forward to getting this to the table. Oh, there's also this, which I assume... Oh, I'm looking forward to playing that. That has something to do with the game as well. But going to be lots of hours on this one. Looking forward to playing it, as The Thing is my favourite film of all time. And so far this is looking very good. And that's The Thing, the board game from Pendragon.